All right, guys, thanks a lot down here in the pool. I've got Christine Liberaski with me, who's been chairing this campaign, and how we doing?
Well, we're a little short, Kyle.
I think I might have something to help that out, though.
What's that?
Look behind you. Guys, come on down, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we got 11, and did that make us reach our goal?
We beat our goal, Kyle. Thank you, North Penn.
Awesome. So, folks, that means we got a little treat for you. Cabinet, it's time to take the plunge.
Counting us down?
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we got the cabinet in the water. Great job, North Penn School District. Phenomenal job. Thanks to all those that contributed to this campaign. Let's send it back to the desk in the studio.